Okay, this is drawings part 2. We're going to do a few more drawing options. We're going to take our little rail button here and make a drawing out of that. We're going to use the same landscape orientation that looks a little better. We're going to start with this view, front, go one up. And we're not going to use this right-hand view. We get the isometric and hit escape. Pull that over. Because instead of a right-hand view, we're going to do what's called a section view. If you go to view a layout, here is section view. And you can select a section. There are a couple options to do with this. But we're going to do this one, the vertical section. Yes. And there it is. You see these hatch marks is a cut through of the piece. Since this is symmetrical all the way around, this is a great way to look at this. This way we can give our dimensions for a revolved part. For example, we can show the major diameter there. We can show heights. A good drawing convention is to always keep your dimensions on the same side and lined up. In this case, all of these will be with respect to this bottom face. That way, we just measure, okay, this is 0.1 inches, 0.25 inches, 0.35 inches. Now for this one, we're going to go and put a center line. This is in Annotations tab, center line. Select the two pieces, and there is a center line. And from there, you can give further dimensions. Remember, if we're revolving this, we need a dimension out there. You can adjust the fidelity of the dimension over here with this tolerance precision. Again. And again. No, that's nothing. Let's see, what is left here? We could call this a chamfer. If you need to specify a chamfer, you'll have to go into the Smart Dimension tab, go to Chamfer Dimension, and select that there. There we go. There's the chamfer, 0.1 inches at a 45-degree angle. There you have it. That's some more ways of dimensioning a drawing. Let's make this solid. Let's make this one hidden lines. There you go. Now you see the hidden lines on the inside. Let's talk a little more about the format. Let's go to Edit Sheet Format. This is part of Assembly A. Let's call this Revision 1 or Revision A. If you ever change the part, you come back to the drawing and say it's Revision B. Deburr and break sharp edges, sure. This is the finish. Let's see. Plane, finish. This is the surface treatment of the part. Deburr edges. Dimensions, okay, let's see. This is in inches. Tolerances, inches, linear. Let's put this 0.001 because it's a small part. Angular 1, there we go. Name, it was drawn by me, so I'll put my initials there. Checked, you just double click on these boxes. say it was checked by the class instructor, say if it was approved by the text prep director, manufactured by the high bay technician. And I've made my part, so I'll do the Q&A on it. Signatures, thoughts, when this is printed out, was drawn by me. There we go. Material. I'm going to call this Delrin. Cool. Weight 0.02 ounces. And that's that. This is a little more in-depth, detailed part drawing. You will be doing this if you ever go on to make CAD models professionally. There's a lot of standards and details that you need to put onto your parts. This is a basic overview of some of the important ones. How to cleanly dimension a part. Oh, there we go. I almost forgot to mention the hole on the inside. Let's move this up. Make sure everything can fit. There we go. Is this full? No, it's not. Okay. Does that match with our tolerance? Yes, it does. So like I said, here is a pretty well dimensioned drawing. You have all the features marked, all your radiuses, all your lengths, overall size, you have all your views, and you started making some of the official markings down here. Whichever parts you have to do in your worksheet, make them look good, make them look professional. If you had to make this part, you need to have everything necessary for the manufacturer to make this part. At the end, when you finished a drawing, go take a break and then come back to the part, forget you know anything about this part you just designed, and look at it afresh to say, hey, here's this drawing and this part that I need to make. Is everything here on it? Can I make this part perfectly from what is on this drawing? That's the mindset you need to have when you approach making a technical drawing. All right, good luck, guys.